Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hey there, efficient drivers and car enthusiasts. Maximizing fuel efficiency is key, and addressing clutch slippage in your vehicle can significantly contribute to this goal. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore strategies for maximizing fuel efficiency while resolving clutch slippage issues. Join us as we uncover the factors impacting fuel efficiency, delve into the implications of clutch slippage, and learn effective measures to resolve this issue, ensuring a smoother and more economical driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks in advance. Maximizing fuel efficiency and resolving clutch slippage in your vehicle. Experiencing excessive fuel consumption and clutch slippage in your vehicle can be frustrating and costly. These issues not only affect your driving experience, but also have a direct impact on your wallet. Understanding the potential causes and solutions for excessive fuel consumption and clutch slippage is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and efficiency. In this video, we will delve into the common reasons behind these problems and explore practical tips to address them effectively. Let's explore how you can identify, troubleshoot, and resolve these issues to ensure a smoother and more cost-effective driving experience. Understanding excessive fuel consumption. Excessive fuel consumption can be a frustrating issue for many vehicle owners. Understanding the common causes of excessive fuel consumption, its impact on vehicle performance, and tips to improve fuel efficiency can help address this problem and save money in the long run. Common causes of excessive fuel consumption: poor driving habits. Aggressive acceleration and braking, speeding and idling excessively can significantly impact fuel consumption. Inadequate vehicle maintenance, clogged air filters, oxygen sensor issues, improper tire pressure, and worn-out spark plugs are common culprits of increased fuel usage. Fuel quality, lower quality fuel or the wrong fuel type for your vehicle can lead to decreased fuel efficiency. Mechanical issues. Problems with the fuel injectors, exhaust system, or other engine components can contribute to excessive fuel consumption. Impact of excessive fuel consumption on vehicle performance. Excessive fuel consumption not only leads to higher costs at the pump, but can also affect the overall performance of your vehicle. Reduced fuel efficiency may result in decreased power, slower acceleration, and compromised engine responsiveness, ultimately impacting the driving experience. If you like this topic, drop a comment below. Give us a thumbs up, share with others, and become a subscriber and get more great information like this. Let's continue. Tips to improve fuel efficiency. Maintain smooth driving, gradual acceleration and deceleration. Maintaining a steady speed and avoiding unnecessary idling can help conserve fuel. Regular vehicle maintenance. Keeping up with routine maintenance, such as changing air filters, maintaining proper tire pressure, and addressing any engine issues promptly can improve fuel efficiency. Use the correct fuel. Ensure you're using the recommended fuel type for your vehicle to optimize performance and fuel economy. Reduce excess weight. Removing unnecessary items from your vehicle can lessen the load and improve fuel efficiency. Explore alternative transportation. When possible, consider carpooling, using public transportation, or walking to reduce the frequency of vehicle use. Understanding and addressing the causes of excessive fuel consumption can lead to improved fuel efficiency and a better driving experience. Taking proactive steps to maintain your vehicle and adopt fuel-saving driving habits can make a significant impact on your overall fuel costs. Exploring clutch slippage. Causes of clutch slippage: worn-out clutch disc. Over time, the clutch disc can become worn, reducing its ability to grip the flywheel tightly. Incorrect clutch adjustments. Improper adjustments of the clutch linkage can lead to excessive free play, resulting in clutch slippage. Oil contamination. Oil leaks from the engine or gearbox can coat the clutch assembly, causing it to slip due to reduced friction. Signs and symptoms of clutch slippage: high engine RPM without acceleration. If the engine speeds up without a proportional increase in vehicle speed, it indicates clutch slippage. Burning odor. A burning smell, reminiscent of burnt paper or rubber, may occur as a result of the excessive heat generated by the slipping clutch. Difficulty shifting gears. Difficulty engaging or disengaging gears can be a sign of clutch slippage, as the clutch is not fully disengaging. Effects of clutch slippage on vehicle performance. Reduced acceleration. Clutch slippage can lead to a decrease in overall vehicle acceleration as power is not efficiently transferred to the wheels. Decreased fuel efficiency. The loss of power and increased engine RPM can result in excessive fuel consumption, impacting the vehicle's fuel efficiency. Premature wear. Clutch slippage puts additional strain on the clutch components, leading to premature wear and potential damage if left unaddressed. Relationship between excessive fuel consumption and clutch slippage. How clutch slippage affects fuel consumption. Clutch slippage can significantly impact fuel consumption in your vehicle. When the clutch is slipping, it leads to inefficient power transfer from the engine to the transmission. As a result, the engine works harder to maintain speed, consequently burning more fuel. The friction generated during the slipping process causes excessive wear and tear on the clutch components, further contributing to increased fuel consumption. Identifying clutch slippage as a cause of excessive fuel consumption. One way to identify clutch slippage as a cause of excessive fuel consumption is by paying attention to the engine's RPM, revolutions per minute, while driving. If the RPM increases without a proportional increase in vehicle speed, it could be a sign of clutch slippage. Additionally, if you notice a burning smell, difficulty shifting gears, or the engine revving without a corresponding increase in speed, it is crucial to have the clutch system inspected for potential slippage. Addressing clutch slippage to improve fuel efficiency. Addressing clutch slippage is paramount to improving fuel efficiency in your vehicle. Regular maintenance and inspections by a qualified mechanic can help detect and rectify clutch slippage issues. Replacing worn-out or damaged clutch components, adjusting the clutch pedal free play, and ensuring the proper lubrication of the clutch linkage can help mitigate slippage and restore optimal fuel efficiency. By addressing clutch slippage promptly, you not only save on fuel costs but also prevent further damage to your vehicle's transmission system. Concluding this video, excessive fuel consumption and clutch slippage are common issues that can significantly impact the performance and efficiency of a vehicle. Addressing these issues promptly is essential to prevent further damage and maintain optimal driving conditions. By understanding the causes and implementing appropriate solutions, drivers can minimize fuel wastage and ensure the smooth operation of their vehicles. Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and attentive driving habits are key to mitigating these issues and maximizing fuel efficiency and clutch lifespan. Thank you for exploring our guide on maximizing fuel efficiency while resolving clutch slippage in your vehicle. By understanding the impact of clutch issues on fuel efficiency and learning ways to address them, you're better equipped to optimize your driving experience. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides. Remember, addressing clutch slippage can significantly improve fuel efficiency, ensuring a more cost-effective and enjoyable driving journey. Drive smarter for a more efficient and satisfying ride. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.